Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 5th for the subject of mathematics and is being submitted to you on 25th January 2021. Students, in today's lesson, we will revise questions based on geometry and time and temperature. Children, these two chapters we have already done. So today we will discuss the questions based on these two chapters. So let us start our today's lesson with the very first question, that is a clock. Now children, in the question number 1, you can see that there is a clock. Now in this clock you have to tell the time in three different ways. Let us see, where is your hour hand? Now, children, can you tell me where is your hour hand? Your hour hand is the smallest hand and it is at 1. Now, let's look at our minute hand. It is representing at 2. So, it means, children, can you tell me the time? What is the time in this clock? The time is 1:10. What is the time here? 1:10, because at 2 it means 10 minutes past. Now children, can you tell me the time in another different form? If the time is 1:10, you can say that it is 10 minutes past 1. What can you say? That it is 10 minutes past 1. Now, children, is there any other way to tell the time in the next hour? Yes, it's already 10 minutes past. So, how many minutes are left for 2 o'clock? So, children, you know that there are 60 minutes. So, 60 minus 10 will be your 50. So, here you will write it is 50 minutes to 2 o'clock. Okay. So, now, children, we have discussed our time in three different ways. Now, let us look at our second question also. Now, look at the clock very carefully. Now, children, here, can you tell me where is the hour hand? It is after 6, and your minute hand is at 10. So, can you tell me the time? What is the time in the clock? What is the time? Your time is 6 hours and 50 minutes. What is the time here? 6 hour 50 minutes. So now how can you say this time in another way? You can say that it is 50 minutes past 6. Okay, students, how can you say this time? 50 minutes past 6. Now, can you tell me this time in another way? That how many minutes are left for 7 o'clock? So 50 minutes are already passed. So only 10 minutes are left for 7 o'clock. So you can write, children, here 10 minutes to 7. Okay. So now in this also we have discussed our time in three different forms. I guess, children, you are clear with this question. Now let's move on to our question number 2, that is convert the following. Now children, the first one is 7 minutes. You have to convert this into second. Children, do you remember the relation of minutes and second? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So it means here you have to multiply 7 with 60. When you multiply 7 with 60, your answer will come in seconds. So what will be your answer? 7 into 60, it's 420. So your final answer is 420 seconds. So it means 7 minutes is equal to 420 seconds. Is it clear, students? Let's move on to our second part, that is 3 minutes 24 seconds. Now children, read the question one more time. 3 minutes 24 seconds. Here you have to convert your minutes into seconds. So children, here you have to convert this minutes into seconds, and whatever answer you will get, you will add 24. Let's try this question here. Now children, first convert 3 minutes into seconds. So it means you have to multiply 3 with 60. So 3 in multiply 60 will give you 180 seconds. What is your seconds? 180. Now you have to add 24 seconds also. Okay, so 180 plus 24, you will get 204 seconds. So what is your final answer? 204 seconds. So children, I repeat, 3 minutes 24 seconds is equal to 204 seconds. I hope children you are clear with this conversion question. You just have to see that what is the relation between minutes and seconds. Similarly, you can convert weeks into days, then you can convert months into days. Okay, so you just have to see what is given in the question. Now let's discuss question number 3. Now children, let us read our question number 3. Let's see what is given in question number 3. What time will it be? 2 hours 20 minutes after 6:30 p.m. Now children, you have to tell that what is the time after 6:30 p.m. and you have to tell what will be the time 2 hours 20 minutes. So children, what you have to do here? So it is written after. So it means you have to add. Okay. So what you will do here, you will add 6 hours. What you will do here, 6 hours and 30 minutes. You will add it with 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. So you have to add these two things, and whatever answer you will get, that will be in hours and minutes. Let me tell you what will be your final answer. It will be, after adding, you will get 8 hours and 30 plus 20, that is your 50 minutes. Okay, so you can tell that your time is 8:50 p.m. What will be your time? 8:50 p.m. So children, you can say that 8:50 p.m. will be the time after 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay children, is it clear? Now can let us move on to our question number 4. Now let's see what is the question 4. Draw any angle with name angle POQ. Mark point A and B in its interior, point X on it, and Y in the exterior. So now children, what you have to do here, first you have to draw an angle. So now children, I'm drawing an angle here. So your angle is formed when it have a common vertex. Okay, so now children, let me mark the arrows because this is a ray. This is your angle and this is your common vertex, and you have to name this also. This is POQ. What is the name of this angle? Angle POQ. Okay, now next part is mark point A and B in its interior. You have to show 2 points which are interior. So you can show point A here and point B also here. Now then you have to show the point X on it. So you can make your point X on any of the arm. So this is your point X, and point Y should be exterior to it. Now children, this is your angle. So you can make anywhere. You can make point Y here also, anywhere. Okay children, I hope you are clear with this question. You just have to make an angle, then you have to show its interior and exterior also. Okay, now let's move on to our question number 5. Let's read question number 5. Now, you have to classify the angle whose measures are given below as acute, right, obtuse, straight, and reflex. Now, children, let's do it one by one. I guess you remember all these angles. Let's discuss first. Now, children, you know that right angle are those angles whose measure is always 90 degree. Yes, you are right. It is always 90 degree. And all the angles less than 90 are acute angles. Okay? These are acute angles. Now, all the angles which are more than 90, they are obtuse angle. Okay, and then it's a straight angle. Straight angles are those whose measure is always 180 degree. And let's discuss about reflex angle also. Now children, the reflex angles are more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Okay, so let's discuss all these angles one by one. Now your first angle is 23 degree. So now children, can you tell me where should I write 23? Yes, you are right. It is an acute angle. So you will write here 23 degree. Now next one is 336 degree. This angle is more than 180. So where it will come? It will come here. Here you will write 336 degree. Okay, children, this is 336. Now next is 90. 90 is your right angle. The angles whose measure are 90, they are right angle. Now next is 120. If the angle is more than 90 but less than 180, they are considered to be obtuse angle. So this is your obtuse angle. Now next one is your 180. 180 is considered to be straight angle. Okay, a straight line. This is your straight angle. Okay. Next one is 135 degree. Can you tell me what is 135 degree? Yes, because this is more than 90 but less than 180, so it is obtuse. 69 degree. Yes, acute, because less than 90 degree. 225 degree. This is more than 180 and less than 360. So this is your 225 is your reflex angle. Okay, children. Now next is 45. 45 is again your acute angle. Okay. Now the last one is left, that is 360 degree. Can you tell me in which category it falls? Where is 360 degree? Where it will come? Now children, 360 degree is your complete angle. Okay, what is this? You will say that this is your complete angle. It is considered to be complete angle. So children, I guess you are clear with all the given angles. I guess you can do all these questions in a very simple way. These are very simple. Now let's move on to our question number 6. Let's see what is our question number 6. Now, again, very easy. Children, here you have to draw the line of symmetry for the following. I guess you remember what is line of symmetry? Now, children, line of symmetry is a line which divide a figure in half or in two equal parts. So let's see the first one. This is your line of symmetry. So it is dividing your line into two equal halves. Okay. So now children, here you can write that the first one is having one line of symmetry. Okay, now let's see our second one. This is your M. So where is the line of symmetry? This one. Okay, here is your center one, horizontal line of symmetry, and here it is vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now this is a circle. Let's draw the line of symmetry. This is the first one, this is the second one, now then third one, then fourth. Even you can make more. So it means the first figure is having only one line of symmetry, the second one is having one line of symmetry, but third one is having infinite lines of symmetry. That is uncountable. Okay, so I guess you are clear with this. Now let's write it here. Here it is one line of symmetry. Here also one line of symmetry. But here it is how many lines? You can't count. So here you will write infinite. Okay, children, here it is infinite line of symmetry. Okay, so again, this is a very easy question. Now let's move on to our question number 7. Now, here you have to use a protector and you have to measure this angle. So now children, let's discuss about the protector also. We have already discussed in our lesson. Now let's see. Children, you remember that in a protector, this is called as a center of the protector, and this 180 to 180 is called baseline. Now what you have to do, your baseline should coincide with OY. You have to keep your baseline on OY and the center of the protector at point O. Okay, now the way I have kept, just look carefully, your OY and the baseline is coinciding with each other, and the center of the protector is at point O. Now your OX is going at this point. So now can you see what is the point here? 50, because you will start your reading from the lower curve: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So now children, what is the measurement of this angle? You can write here that angle XOY is equal to 50 degree. Is it clear? What is the value of this? 50 degree. Now let's look at the question, what they have asked in this question. Now you have to name the given angle. So you can tell that what is the name of this angle? It is angle XOY. What is the angle? You can write here. It is angle XOY. This is the name of the angle. And what is the measurement of this angle? We have just got it that your angle is of 50 degree. So this is an acute angle. Okay, students, let's move on to our question number 8. Now, children, this is just a mental maths. You have to read the fill in the blank and you have to give your answer quickly. Now, children, you remember what is a square? You have to tell a square has dash line of symmetry while a rectangle has only dash. Now, can you tell me the answer? A square has 4 line of symmetry while rectangle has only 2. Okay. Now 0 degrees Celsius is equal to how much Fahrenheit? 0 degrees Celsius. You know that this is a freezing point and it is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now let's see our third one. 1 century is equal to how many years? Now children, century means 100. So 1 century is equal to 100 years. Okay. Now next one, fourth one. Now in this you have to tell that 2 weeks 4 days is equal to how many days? It is 18 days. What is your answer? 18 days. Now children, you can calculate here. I'll show you how this 18 have come. Now 2 weeks means how many days? In 1 week, 7 days. So 2 weeks means 2 multiply 7, which will give you 14. Okay, now you have 14 days and you have extra 4 days also. So you have to add 4 and finally you will get 18. So how many days are there? 18 days. Okay, children. So this is the way we got our answer. Okay, so directly you can say that it is 18. Now the hour hand completes dash rounds of the dial in half day. Now, children, whole day your hour hand takes 2 complete rounds. So, in half day, your hour hand will complete only one round of the dial. Is it clear, students? I guess, students, you are clear with all the questions discussed in this video. Now, please do all these questions in your mathematic registers. And if you have any doubt, you can see this video one more time. Thank you, students.